am a queen in all my glory, writing my own story. Bow down world and see my reign, for I am a queen again.
In the swimsuit attire, candidate number 1, candidate number 2, candidate number 3, candidate number 4, candidate number 5, candidate number 6, candidate number 7, candidate number 8, candidate number 9, and candidate number 10. Okay, so let's have the traditional quarter turn. Okay? Turn to your right now again. Ayan, nakita na po natin yung kanilang kaseksihan.
Ito po yung number.
Meron bang dark spot?
Number 9.
Wala, makinis lahat. Okay, turn to your right again. Ayan, nakatalikod na po silang lahat sa atin. Different shapes, different colors, but united as one. And another turn to your right again. Alright. Wala bang dark spot? Okay. And back to your position. Alright. Okay, so nakita na po natin yung kanilang mga kaseksihan. Okay, so of course, candidate number 1. Naka-smile pa rin siya, no? Okay, candidate number 2. Wow, nangiting panalo na si candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. Oh, naka-crazy siya. Candidate number 4. How about candidate number 5? Candidate number 6. Okay, number 7. Number 8. O, diba? Sinabi kong hindi mag-stop, pero nag-stop siya. How about candidate number 9? Oh, diba? May voice din siya. And number 10. Isa lang yung mga supporters niya. Okay, so, of course, balik muna kayo sa stage natin. Okay? Okay, so let's have the awarding ceremony. And of course, special thanks to the one of the organizers. We have the local officer youth development, Ma'am Beverly Akain. Thank you very much, Bob. Okay, so once again, congratulations to candidate number 8. To be awarded by our Municipal Councilor, Daisy Nava and Sir Honorico Nagua. The owner of the Awardees Award is Miss Charlene Awardees, located at Lawis, Labrador, Pangasinan. Thank you, sir. award is Miss Avon. Congratulations, candidate number 5. Congratulations to your candidate number 10. Best Catering Choice Award to be awarded by Ma'am Nicole Gamboa. Congratulations to candidate number 1. Award for Miss Boss Coffee Choice Award is to be awarded by our beloved former municipal councilor. We have Honorable George Dinoya and Ma'am Nancy Akai. Award, our Miss Smile is Miss Best Walk. Again to be awarded by Mr. Stewart Smith and Miss Kate Garcia. Awarded by Kate Garcia and Mr. Stewart Smith as your candidate number 9. For our Miss Friendship Award is goes to okay, we have candidate number 3. Congratulations. Next award for Mrs. Smile is your candidate number 8. Our Miss Photogenic Award. Congratulations to your candidate number 5. Next award. We have candidate number 10.